Hey, what's going on, folks? Welcome back to another episode. I got me a eufy security camera system. Now, backstory, I have been using Waze for the past probably 5 years or so. It's been a really long time. I have them all over my house. But today I think I'm going to upgrade because now we're talking about 4K, and also you see this Homebase right here, local storage now. That means that I don't have to pay a monthly fee just to view my footage in the cloud. Today we're gonna unbox this and then let's do a little test to see how good the 4K is, because I've heard a lot about this company. So full disclosure, I did purchase this with my own money. Eufy did not sponsor this video at all, and all the opinions in here are mine alone. No one has wrote a script for it. All right, so let's get right into it. So a lot of my friends have been upgrading to eufy. That's the reason why I actually looked into them. I have been holding out, actually. I know of this company because they came from Anchor, I believe, which, if you guys know, they make batteries and things like that. Once again, 4K camera. This one right here has full solar power up on top here. So it'll keep this camera alive. I will have to find a good spot for it so that, you know, it can take in all the sunlights. Obviously, this is not an indoor camera, guys. If you're purchasing this, you might want to put it somewhere where there's a lot of sun so that it can power the camera. So that's something to keep in mind. That is a very large lens for a security camera, though. Mounting is back here. Pop this open. USB-C. Okay, good. That's it. That's pretty simple right there. Just USB-C port. There's a sync button right there. You can see that. Other than that, very simple. Comes with 2 of them. And now this right here, this is the important piece right here. This is the Homebase. This is what you would put a hard drive into, and then it will record so that you don't have to pay monthly for it. Which, by the way, the amount of money that I pay for this, I'll make it up within a year, because that's how much I actually pay for monthly services for my other cameras. Actually, is a lot smaller than what I had imagined. So the SATA drive fit perfectly into here. The only thing I have to make sure is that is it this way? Yes, it actually goes this way, not the upside down way. The reason why is they actually put these little pin or dot right here where it goes into these little holes so that it sits plush like so. I'm not sure why they give you this little pin right here, but it doesn't really, I can't really use it to screw the SATA drive in, you know? But it's okay because it's just a Phillips head. That's all it is. No worries. I have plenty of screwdriver laying around. Pretty sure every household has Phillips screwdrivers. These are the tiny screwdriver though, not the big screwdriver, like the computer screwdriver. Okay, so it's installed like so. And I guess one of the questions that you would probably have for this is that, can you install multiple drives? No, you can only install 1 drive. That's it. It only has enough room for 1 drive. That's actually one of the questions I had, was how many drive can I install into here? Because, you know, you have a bunch of old drives just laying around that you want to use, right? And so here it is right here. This is a actual live feed from this camera right here that you're watching. Pretty good, right? I mean, look at this. It's all wireless, and it's sending me a live feed from this thing right here, this package. This is amazing. Now all I have to do is just mount this thing up somewhere, and it actually, yeah, it'll work. That's all you need right there, guys. 4K solar powered, okay? It's amazing. 2023. That's what this is right here. 2023. Right now, live feed, obviously this is going through my network, so it's not gonna feed 4K through this phone, which this phone probably can't take 4K live feed anyway. And then the other thing is there's a light. Woo, okay, yep, that's the light. That's the light right there. Let me turn it off, let you guys see the difference. There's off. Spotlight is on. Yeah. Let's see here. There's an alarm button as well, just in case if you see something live that is sketchy, you can actually hit the alarm button. So hold your ears. Okay, so it looks like it asks you if you want camera, sound, and spotlight, or sound only. So, oh, you can actually do spotlight, Homebase sound as well. All right, so I'm just gonna do camera, sound, and spotlight, okay? Okay, well, yeah, that's the alarm right there. Wow, that is, that's pretty loud. Now let's view some of the event. So for the event, you can see that it's detecting, I call this camera the porch camera, is detecting human. And so it's seeing, you see how it says human right here? Human. I'm pretty sure that if it sees, I don't have a pet, but if it sees a pet, it'll say what it detects on there as well. So guys, this AI stuff is pretty good. Now, here's the thing, okay? These features right here, the AI feature where it says there's a human, there's a package, there's pets and things like that, you do have to pay extra with other company. So that's it right there, guys. That's the eufyCam Homebase 3 kit. I will be adding more cameras to this, by the way, because I want to try out other cameras as well. This one right here is a top tier security camera with solar, with 4K and things like that, and with all the AI tracking. I want to test out some other cameras as well. So look out for it, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.